All right, in this one we are going to do some work on product meta descriptions with AI recommendations. This one's a two-parter. So first we're going to trigger on product created. We're going to pull those products in. This custom code is just going to strip out some HTML from the product description because that was messing up my GPT prompt. We got to grab the meta fields. They don't come on the product API resource itself, so we've got to grab those meta fields. Grab the main meta field we're looking for, meta description. And then here's the prompt that I'm using to generate an SEO-optimized meta description. Max of 160 characters, pass in the title and the description. And then save that to Google Sheets. So then in Google Sheets, I'm imagining you want to have somebody go through and deal with these, make sure to look at them before they publish them, right? So let's say you've got your original meta descriptions field. Here's the generated one. And if you wanted, you could just copy that in, right? You could mass copy, whatever you want to do. And then let's say you just have a status column that you want to set to publish once you're ready to pull the trigger on that. Cool. So then we've got the second workflow here is going to trigger on a schedule. Let's say that's daily, hourly, however you want to do that. Pull in your Google Sheets data and then loop over it. And this custom code was just doing some debugging. And then pass it into a filter, right? So let's only look at the ones that have that status set to publish. And then go ahead and update the meta description here. Bada bing, bada boom. So then here was the last test that I run. You can see it looped over the different rows in the thing there, and then the one that was set to publish, it went ahead and published. And here you can see where that shows up right there in Shopify. Hope that's helpful. Let us know if you'd like any help getting that set up.